Yeah, good morning, everyone, wherever you're watching from. So today I'm just going to do a quick um, trading analysis this morning. So this is what I do each morning. This is how I post my video for you to understand how I find my daily bias each day. So here it's very easy. Maybe you don't know, but this is how I. This is one of the things I want to show new beginners on how they analyze their trades, how they see trades ideas, how to understand where the market is and where it's going to, so they don't be confused on how the market is moving. So quickly, you all know how the market has been going what super bearish. Yeah, the market has been going super bearish for in the higher time frames. You can see that the market has been bearish. Okay, you can see that, right? The market has been bearish, and today, and all this while the market has been bearish, we have been looking for bearish setups. Even though sometimes it get confusing that we don't know what the market is doing, but I thank God that we still find solutions to what the market is doing and trade with the solutions and make money too. So today, yesterday, the last video I dropped, I said that the market is bearish. I'm looking for a bearish setup, but unfortunately, it didn't happen like I planned. So what happened is that I let it slide. So today I'm going to look for a change of character because there is a change of character already. If you check here, the market has changed this character from here. I can say here. I can also give this area of interest, this last area of interest as my change of character. So oh, market is being bullish. Wow, wow, wow. What news is that? Oh, wow, that's so massive. You can see that. You can see the way the market is going. Let me go fully. So you see, you can see that. Yeah, thank God for that. I mean this trade. So if you go here, this is the last end before the market did change of character. So if you go here, so here is the change of character, right? Okay, change of character. But why I will pick here more before here is that after this change of character, we can see a well, after this break of change of character here, there is something that happened here, which is well, a the last BOS break of structure, which is here. Okay, so this break of structure is a sign that the market is at this range. The market is coming down to this range, this to this discount range. So here should be my point of target. Okay, so since here is being my point of target, here is what the external range liquidity. Okay, here is the external range liquidity. So here is where I'm looking for the market to take out, right? Yes, that's where we are waiting for the market to take out, right? Yes. So you can see this line, right? Why I pick here is that this is the last break of structure before this one after this break, and this break here, let me zoom it so you see, and this break happened after the break of structure. This break of structure here happened after this place, which shows that the market is bullish. And what are we going to look for? We're going to look for bullish setups only. So since we are looking for bullish setups only, how are we going to find this bullish setup? These bullish setups can be found easily with these simple steps. Now, since we does the way we found that the market is bullish, that's our directional bias for USD JPY. I'll still go with USD Aussie 200. It's like the S&P. So after that, I look for my entry zone. I see that this place is the very strong bullish before what this is the place that had a strong impulse. So That should be our entry. Our stop should be below this low. The market must not come back down to here to this zone like this to before you trade. Some people feel like this zone is what brought to this place. Some people be like, this is like this, it's like this, but actually it's not. What actually happened here is that this zone brought to the impulsive of here. Okay, so with that being said, we have understood that the market is bullish and all those criteria that the market is bullish, this one, that one, that one, and the sentiment directional bias of the day is bullish, so we are looking for bullish, and we will stay in this market until the market takes out what this high. Okay, but the one thing I learned, so some people be like, here is how the market shifted. Then put my SL below here. Okay, this is where the bullish the other block is. No, what read to this structure is this place. This is just where it reacted to give us breathing room for market to breathe on. Okay, yeah, so that's it, and so that's it. So let's go to the other markets. Yeah, let's go to the other market. So when we come to this market, the same thing again that happened. This market has been bullish all those while for a few times now. It has been doing because you can see the last break of structure over here. This is the last break of structure, and since this is the last break of structure, the market start going up very aggressively. And go for that. The market start going up aggressively, and we got to this area. The market has been, so there's no need for me to start looking for bearish setups here. I'll only be looking for bullish setups. Okay, so now this is the low of the previous day, and this is the break of structure, and this is the external range that I'm looking for market to take out. Okay, when it will take it out, I really don't know, but I know the market. I'm looking forward the market to take this thing out. Okay, so what am I going to do today? What I'm going to do is simple, because here is the last break of structure. That's the same thing I'm happening. That's like I said before. If you are waiting for market to, if you feel like here is the where the market will happen, this space is the breathing space. Allow here to be the breathing space. But if the market takes out this low layer here, I will know that okay, the market is coming down to what? To this zone, or it's a change of character, or this zone too. Okay, so that's the two secrets that I'm just sharing here right now. So but now the market is bullish and we are bullish throughout till the market says otherwise. Okay, so that being said, I hope you learned something on my directional bias today, and I hope you can come to me and be my student if you want to learn how to trade. My secrets, how my entry is, what I see to have this kind of sweet um entries. This is how I pass my Ftmo. Even though I even though you lose, yes, you lose, yeah, losing is okay. But when you lose, if the market, if what you're losing, you're still in profit, you're still be in a very good profit because you didn't lose all your money. Why you people grow, why you it's okay to grow challenges is if you're risking too much, you can grow a lot of challenges because you're risking too much. But once you get funded, you reduce your risk and trade slowly, you see your money, you make more money each week, each month because you trade slowly and make enough money. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you learned something, and if you want one-on-one mentorship, I can teach you calmly, knowing that you have time for this. This is just a small tutorial. If you like how I explain my trading, how I see all these setups, do well to subscribe or chat me up, DM me, tell me about your programs. I'm always be there to listen to you and go with your make sure you understand trading, the market directional barriers. Okay, it's not hard. It's not hard. This is not hard actually. This is not hard actually. So see you guys soon and see you guys in the next video. I'll always be there. I'm your humble self, Maximilian. At first, I trade for a living. I'm a full-time trader and I love what I do, and I'm happy to start now to teach, because I believe that teaching helps to expand my knowledge and gives me that vulnerability to understand what I'm doing, to explain to my younger one or my children how this is being done. I can't keep this to myself. And I thank God also to giving me the knowledge on how I see trading differently than others, what I see that others don't see, and how I can help others grow, have financial freedom, so they won't become a burden to others. So that's it for today. I love you all, and I'm going to see you all in the next video. So bye for now, and do well to subscribe. Just subscribe that button right now. I want you to subscribe now. If you're still here, subscribe right now and drop your comments immediately. That's what I want to see. I want to know that I'm carrying people who really needs to understand how trading works. This is something that a lot of people didn't tell us. I didn't learn it from anywhere, but I just generated a perfect way to do what, share this story with you guys. The first thing is, ask yourself, which trend do you see? After asking yourself which trend do you see, ask, has the price run through any major high or low in higher time frame? If yes, if no, you know. If yes, you know that market is about to change its character. If it's no, you know that the market is still that same direction that it was before. If it's, for example, which trend do you see? I see a bullish trend. Okay, nice. You see a bullish trend. Nice. Nice about that. Has the market run through any major? You now look for that. If there is no major, you say, okay, the market is still bullish. Then you now ask yourself, has the market structure occurred? Because if it's true that the price has run, that means market structure have occurred. You say, yeah, market structure have occurred. No, market structure have not occurred. Then you ask yourself, after if you lost a trade, for you to know if you still continue in that direction of the trade, you now ask yourself, after the loss, did the market hit any major high, major, or all the kind of thing? If no, then you know that you're still in a bullish sentiment. Now what? You start looking for your market on the bullish factors. So that's how I got it all right trading. That's how I trade with more confidence and calmness, knowing fully well that this is what I know in trading, and this is how what's work for me. And tell me if you like my my candle colors, whatever you like about me. I just want to feel that, have that confidence in me that I'm doing something good, I'm doing something nice. I have a neat chart, all those sweet things, how to do these things, how to give me encouragement to keep on posting videos like this for you to learn, and I will learn too. The most important thing, that everybody is making money, no competition in this game at all. This is a game of no competition at all. Okay, see you all soon. Love you all, and I'll always be there to guide and teach you all what I know. See you next time. And don't do well to subscribe to that channel right now. Subscribe, press the subscribe button right now. Okay, so bye.